Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing together how to make an invisible pocket for a suit. A visible pocket for a suit. So yes, this is what we'll be doing, just like the video you're seeing, how to stitch it, how to go about it, especially for suits. So yes, welcome back again. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe. I would like to be more and more people here. If you're an old subscriber, please thank you very much for coming again. I really appreciate the time spent. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are treating, like I said, how to make an invisible pocket suit. Yes, invisible pocket suit. That's what we'll be doing. So the first thing is to first get a paper that I use for pattern, or probably a stronger paper. For mine, I'll be using a very light paper, and my measurement will be 6 inches for the width and 7 inches for the length. Yes, I'm sorry my video wasn't capturing the length, but the length is 6 inches, the width is 6 inches, the height is 7 inches, so it means it's taller than the width. Like I said, the width is 6, the height is 7, so that's why I'm just trying to draft out there, just to make sure that it's balanced and it's on an equal balance level. So that's what I'm doing over there. So yes, 6 inches for the width and 7 inches for the length, just like the way I'm doing it. Yes, I'm cutting it out in a square, in a triangle, sorry, in a rectangle shape. Yes, you can see. So that's what I'm doing. So I haven't done that. I'm folding the paper into two. You can see now. Yeah, I folded the paper into two, and I'm creating the more like a semicircle, or like curving the 90 degree to make sure that it's curved enough for what we're about to do. So that's what I'm just doing with my curves. So that's what I just did now. So I'll be cutting it out in a slant format. Yeah, just like that. You can see. So that means on this paper we already have a pattern for the pockets we need, because we need the pattern to be it's very important. Please, if you have liked it this far, can you like the video? Can you subscribe, please? If you're finding this information useful to this extent, please just like and share and subscribe. And if you have any question, kindly drop them on the comment section, please. So we'll be going through I'll be getting my fabric, because yes, I've done that one before, so I'm doing another one so that we can all understand what it means. So I'm putting it up. I'm putting on the fabric. This is just a light paper, but with the course of the video, I'll be using a very strong paper because I'll be ironing it. So I'll explain that shortly. Yes. So now I'm adding the allowance I needed. The upper side I need like 1 inch for the folding. The other side, every other side I need like half inch. So that's what I'm doing. Half inch on every side and 1 inch on the upper side. Yes. So that's that. So because I'm doing a suit. Yes, because I'm doing a suit, so I must make sure that I'm use the fusing. You can see the fusing there, the cutting fusing there. It's necessary. It's not just a regular outfit. It's a suit, so I must make sure that it's well fused enough. So yes, so that's what I'm doing, putting the fuse there. Yes, so I'll be cutting it exactly. Please feel free to skip and to pause or to replay as much as you want, as far as you're getting it. So let's do it together. Don't forget that the width, once again, the final width is 6, the final length is 7. So yes, you can see what I'm doing now. So that means I'm folding that 1 inch back, ironing it firmly. This paper will not be strong enough, so I need a stronger paper, but I'll be explaining that shortly. So because I'm doing a suit, I don't want to introduce a stitch, so it's supposed to be invisible, which means there won't be any stitch. So what I'll be doing is I can probably put an hemming gum inside the pocket if I want to, but I don't want to. So now I'm putting the same fusing on the edge of the fabric to make sure that it's not visible, so to make sure that the lines, the folded line is not visible on the other side. So that's what I'm just doing. So I've just done that. You can see. So now there's no stitching for the upper side, so Now it's for me to get a stronger paper that can be easily folded with iron, that can give me the shape I wanted, the exact shape I wanted. So that's what I'll be doing shortly now. You can see the paper is too light, so it won't give me the folding I want. I won't get the effect of what I want, so I just had to transfer it to a stronger. But in my case, I don't have a stronger paper at the moment, so I had to use a color stay. I'm sure we know color stay. So color stay is way stronger and way comfortable in a way also. So yes, I've transferred it, and so that's what I have on my color stay. So it's easier for me to work around because it's way stronger than the drafting paper. So yes, now putting it on it, all the edges on the same edge, the upper side on the same. So I'm now folding each of the edges exactly the way it's supposed to be folded, creating that same shape I'm seeing on my pattern paper. Yes, so exactly, you can see it's not that difficult. You can see it's just easy. Be careful if you have the wood to balance it when you're done ironing. You can apply that also. Yes, so you can see. Yeah, exactly. So that's how you do it. So you get it round and make sure that it's a balanced one. It's very necessary. So the ironing part is very necessary to make sure that it's laid flat. It's having the shape itself before you go to the sewing part. You need to make sure that it's well balanced and well laid out. Yes, most especially the curved side. If you have liked it to this extent, can you just like and subscribe to the channel, please? Can you like and share? Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, so far so good, please kindly drop your question on the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. And if you want to have a one-on-one tutorial on any of the courses you have seen on my page, please kindly reach out to me directly on my Instagram page. I'll be more than ready to help in any way possible. So yes, I'm just taking my time to make sure that it's well formed, it's well organized, and well balanced. So I need to make sure that I mark out, just like the way it is. I must make sure I have the mark out on the fabric itself. So I have to make sure I mark it out on the fabric. Where I'm putting the pocket on the fabric, I need to make sure I'm marking it out exactly. You can see. So I'll be marking it on the black suit I'm currently sewing. I'm marking it on it. So I'll be showing you shortly. I'm just trying to illustrate that on the ironing table. So before we move to the sewing part, I hope you're good to go. Yes, and I need to mark out the middle part also. The middle part is where I'll be stitching. So the machine side now. So yes, now this is where I'll be marking the pocket. So I'll be leaving 3 inch from the down before I mark out the pocket. I'll be leaving 3 inch. Yes, 3 inch from the down. I'm doing a double-breasted suit, black. Yes, that's what I'll be doing. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be leaving 3 inch down before I now mark out the pocket itself. You can see. Please make sure it's the same pattern you're using to mark out that you use to fold the fabric. It's very necessary. Yeah. So that's it. You can see I mark out the middle part, so which means the middle part of the pocket, I must make sure there's a notch, so that if I'm doing it from the front side, when it gets to the middle, it aligns. It's necessary that it aligns. Yeah, just like you're saying, the middle part has to align. The beginning, the middle, and the end has to meet. It's very necessary. Very, very necessary. Yes, invisible pocket for suit. So that's what I'm doing. So now let's go to the sewing table and see what we're going to do. So now on the sewing machine. Like I've explained before, so now I'm sewing from the beginning to the middle part to the end part. The three of them has to meet. That's the goal. And I must make sure that the folded parts, which is the one, the folded inches, like the inside part, is what I'm sewing on. Exactly, the folded part is what I'm sewing on. So I'll be sewing from there all the way back to the other side, making sure it has a matching beginning, a matching middle, which is the notch part, and the matching end. Yes, so you can see, just gently on the same line and on the same mark on the suit. It's very necessary that way also. You don't have to rush. You can take your time on this. Just make sure you're getting it very well. If you have liked this fact, if you enjoyed these videos to this extent, can you please give it a thumbs up, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please kindly do so. Thank you very much. So you can see it might be a little bit difficult, but as far as I'm doing it gradually and gently, and I'm following the mark the way it's supposed to be, the outcome will be the same. It will be the same. Yes, you don't have to rush this part. This is the most important part. If you're not getting it like this, then the notch and the part will not meet, which will not be the nice part of it. So please take all your time and make sure you're getting it right. Yes. You can see. So now I'm done stitching. You can see the effect. You won't know there's no stitch at all. So thank you very much for everyone for watching this video. You can see the marks and everything is aligned. If you like it to this extent, just help us subscribe. You can check some other videos I have on my page that are very, very relatable with. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Peace out.